Come on.
Come on, over here.
We're gonna go back up front. We gotta shovel. Right? No, up front. Come on. I'll help you.
Where's the doggy?
Alright. Over. Oh. Alright, I want you to stand over here in this big one. Come here. Stand up. I'll get you over there. Oh. Now stand in that hole. Stand in there. Put both legs in there. Ready? Ready? There, stay. Look at... That's deep, isn't it? Huh? Can you get out? Can you get out? Oh. Do you need help? Here.
There's one more here.
Go ahead. See if you can get all the way over there. By the driveway. Keep doing it. Oh. Keep going. Pretend you're a bunny. Hop, hop. A snow bunny? Oh. No. Make a snow angel. Make a snow angel. Right there. Hurry up. Make one. There you go. There you go. Legs too. Get the legs. Put your hands out. Way out. All the way up to your head. All the way up to your head. Way up. No, down. Put them on the ground. And slide them all the way up to the head. Here, I'll show you. I guess that was the best that I could do.